Well, we have our 50th year celebration for the beginning of St. Anne's Church, and they independently raised money. In other words, this didn't come out of any of the church's funds for for a statue to be put in of St. Anne and a large wooden cross on the front of the building. And it's one of those forever type things. It's really, stonework. The statue of St. Anne's is coming from northern Italy. It's some kind of special fiberglass that's super weather resistant and everything. So it's going to be a really nice long-term feature. Here's a little shot of the actual site now while they're fixing up. So amazing sometimes that when you think about it, if you just, okay, you want a statue, you want bricks down, you want this down, well, just put them down. Well, no, it's very important what you do for a foundation. Otherwise, things will sag, the ground, they'll tilt, they'll fall over. It just won't work. But you have to have that proper foundation, and then it can uphold things. And it's kind of like our lives. The foundation of our life should be Jesus Christ, given to us by the testimony of the apostles. And that is, without a doubt, the surest foundation that you can have. So take a look. Here we are at St. Anne's Catholic Church in Gorham. We're getting ready to have our 50th year anniversary. And we're putting a statue of St. Anne on that concrete block, and there's going to be a large cross on the front of the building as well. Very nice.